The number one mistake that tourists make is overpacking. Please don't be a victim of overpacking. When you pack, you definitely want to pack lighter by choosing clothes that will work in multiple weather situations, because there's nothing worse than going to a destination thinking it's going to be hot and sunny and warm, and then it's cold and rainy, right? Or vice versa. So make sure you're packing versatile clothes that works for all situations as far as weather. Okay, pro tip that I always do, make sure you're rolling up your clothes and you're putting them nice and neat is in your suitcase. Roll them up as tight as you can, because what that will do is, one, it reduces wrinkles. Two, it creates more space. And three, you are way more organized because you can see exactly what you have in that suitcase, especially when it comes to children. You definitely want to do that because we all know how much stuff we need to bring for the kids, or we think that we need to bring for the kids, right? I'm guilty of it all the time. So rolling your clothes is definitely a pro tip. Like I said, I do it constantly whenever I go. And I want to know, what is one thing, just one, that you always bring with you on a trip that you never use? We all do it. I do it. I would love to know. Let me know down below in the comments. And like always, follow, love, and share for more travel hacks and tips. I will see you in the next video. Mwah.